6 утра, фотография твоя.
I could do this all day.
Воспоминания.
That shield doesn't belong to you. You don't deserve it. My father made that shield.
И все твои обещания пустота.